Welcome to one of Pondicherry's hidden gems. A craft shop where every corner holds a piece of Indian artistry. Right at the entrance, hand-picked textile souvenirs are being carefully arranged. The perfect first impression of what's inside sets sail into creativity. These handcrafted wooden sailing ships are a collector's dream. And check out these decorative mugs. Beautifully detailed. Perfect as gifts or a memory to take home. From your Pondicherry visit, feel the spiritual soul of India right here. Intricate miniature figures of Indian goddesses, crafted with devotion and skill. Each piece tells a story rooted in centuries of tradition and faith. More divine creations. And look at these stunning handmade necklaces. Crafted by local artisans, these ornaments blend tradition with elegance. Ladies, this one's for you. Gorgeous handcrafted leather bags and purses, each piece carrying the mark of skilled craftsmanship. Unique designs you simply won't find in any mall or chain store. From stone, built to last a lifetime. These showpieces bring the ancient artistry of India right into your home. From abstract forms to detailed sculptures, there's something here for every taste. And now, the earring collection. Dozens of handcrafted Indian earrings in vibrant designs. Traditional, bohemian, bold. Whether you're shopping for yourself or a loved one, these are hard to walk past. Loved what you saw? Save this card and visit them the next time you're in Pondicherry,
Malaysia.
And
Now first reasonable only opening the shop. The first time only send it. Otherwise here local in all over in India, Delhi and then Hyderabad, some small item only send it for local.
Okay, thank you very much. What is your name?
Kupu.
Kupu. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.